Okay, I'm recording. Let's read Grampy's letter.
Hi, Rohan. We needed good water to drink at our. I built a new well.
Oh, you
Here.
missed this line. Water to drink at our
Camp in Nova Scotia.
there.
I built a new well near last week. Here are some pictures to show you how I did it. Grampy. Hello, Grampy.
Let's look at the pictures. How fun. Look, he made a little book with some words and stuff. Want to say hi, Grampy?
Hi, Grampy.
Okay, we're going to look at the pictures now. It's a cool little booklet.
The video is done.
Okay.